Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your monthly love tarot reading, Libras, for the month of July. So today we'll be picking cards for your energies and for your person's energies. So the first few cards are for your energies, guys. So these are for your energies for the month of July, Libras. And these cards are for your person's energy. So we'll be picking 5 more cards. I'll be sharing the timestamp in the description, guys. So you can, if you want to skip to that part, you can watch it that way, guys, Libras. So let's start. I will just keep these cards here for convenience, guys. So we will open the cards as we proceed into the reading. So we will see what are these cards. So we have 4 of Pentacles in reverse, 9 of Swords, 9 of Pentacles in reverse, World in reverse, and 3 of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So, in your circumstances, Libras, over this month, maybe on certain things, you trusted them, you had, you expected certain things from this person you love. Or maybe in your relationship, you have some expectations. But for some reason, these expectations are not being met. Maybe it may be this person's fault, or it may be the circumstances itself, guys. So you feel that you cannot trust them anymore. So something has happened and you feel that they are hiding something from you, maybe hiding the truth, hiding some emotions, whatever they truly feel towards you, and it is making you see that negative aspect of this person. So you, whatever trust or whatever good faith you had on them is reducing day by day, and you feel that you cannot be with them. Maybe you are thinking what to do or what should be the next step, and you are quite confused. For some of you, you don't know, you don't want a breakup or a separation, maybe, guys. So you are just thinking and you feel really confused and cornered in some ways. You don't know what will be your next step, what will be the next thing to do in this relationship, and what will come hereafter. So you don't know what is the future of this connection. So some kind of confusion, doubts in your mind, and you feel stuck. You feel unable to decide either way. So you are just right on the wall. You don't know whether to go with them, to be with this person, or just leave them. So there is a lot of confusion, and maybe you suspect this person of some things. Maybe you suspect them of having another relationship. So there is a lot of doubt and suspicion on them, but still you are not clear about your decision, guys. And maybe these disappointments and lot of emotional anxiety is making you even sleepless. So this relationship is a reason for worry for you all, guys, Libras. I see that maybe for some of you, you are not happy with them. You are not happy. There are a lot of things happening in this relationship, and all you have towards them is fear, lack of trust, and you doubt them. You doubt this person. So there are a lot of negative emotions in this relationship towards this person. So let's see what this person feels towards you guys. Maybe what is their feeling towards you and towards this love. So we will be opening these cards now. So we have Four of Swords in reverse, Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles in reverse, and High Priestess in reverse. So this person maybe they are just waiting for you to make that step or take that action, guys. Maybe they are very calculative. They don't want to make the first step, whatever it is, whether it is breakup or whether reconciliation or being together, whatever is the next step, they don't want to make it, guys. They are very calculative and they don't want any bad name or bad reputation for themselves. So they are just waiting for you to react, for you to make that choice. And they are pushing you and they are, arguing with you on certain things, maybe pushing you to that circumstance. So there are a lot of conflicts and even they see that this relationship is not something, something that will last. Maybe even they have negative emotions, but for some reason they are not making that first step because they are, being really cautious about the next step. Maybe they have their name or reputation to be good. So that may be the reason they don't want this breakup with you guys, Libras. So they are thinking and planning, and they are also not thinking of reconciliation, guys. So they know for sure that this relationship may not work. Maybe they were interested in you just for that fun of this relationship, but not for commitment. Maybe that time is over, and when it comes to commitment and seriousness, they are just taking a step back. They are not ready for that, guys, Libras. So that is what I see, guys, Libras, with these cards. So maybe this relationship is hanging at the edge of the, cliff, anytime to go down. So maybe if you love this person, Libras, or if they love you deeply, someone, whoever it is, has to take that next step. And if you want this person, you must build that understanding, and it is going to be a really hard work because I see a lot of confusion, doubts on both sides. So things are not good, guys. So this relationship is on rocky ground, Libra. So if you want to make it work, you need a lot of patience, a lot of skills and talents and perseverance. Only that is going to help you out, Libra. So that is what I see, guys, for this month of July. So this may look like a negative reading, but it is some kind of what to say, some kind of, it's just cautioning us ahead for the month. So you can try and work on better understanding, better compatibility. If you have any problems now, guys, Libras, you can work on that with this person you love. So what will be the right thing to do? You can work on that, guys. And these are just cards. So what you make of your life is totally in your hands. So that is the reading for you all, guys, Libras. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for the upcoming monthly readings. So thanks again, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys, Libras. Thank you, guys. Bye, Libras.